In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply for a Chase personal loan within the app. So currently, Chase does not offer traditional personal loans through their mobile app. However, they do provide a feature called My Chase Loan, which allows eligible credit card holders to borrow against their existing credit line. So here's how you apply for your Chase loan using the Chase mobile application. Open up Chase Mobile and sign into your account. Select the eligible Chase credit card you want to use. Tap on Credit Options and Tools. Within the card's dashboard, look for My Chase Loan option and select it. Choose your loan amount. The minimum is $500. Then select a payment duration based on your loan amount. So review the loan terms, including the fixed APR, which is typically lower than your card standard purchase APR. Confirm the bank account where you want the funds deposited. Then review and accept the loan agreement. Receive the funds in your selected bank account within 1 to 2 days. Remember that My Chase Loan requires no application or credit check, has no origination or early payoff fees, and uses only a portion of your card's available credit, allowing you to continue using your card for purchases. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.